When the serious game is accessed for the first time, the levels are all locked. Only the Start the Game button could be used to enter the introductory part of the serious game. The teacher has to unlock the levels. Once the teacher unlocked the level, it becomes available. Each level has the following structure: intro, a short video for each level. Theory takes the player to the educational content of the level. The quiz section, which the player could enter only when theory in the level is completed. The quiz locks after completing it. Open tasks, which can be entered after completing the previous content. They should be evaluated by the teacher in order to continue in the next level. In level 1, there is an additional content, scenarios, and in level 2, case study. Players have to pass consequently all the content sections from the level. Completed quiz section locks automatically. After completing the quiz, the following section will get unlocked. Next level remains locked till the teacher unlocks it. Each student playing in individual mode goes through the game section by section. Once the lead member passed any section, it is made open to any team member. The quiz for fun part in the theory section, scenario selection, and open task submission could be done only by one player. Each team member can do the quiz section individually. In case a team member has not completed the quiz, the game allows the team to continue in following tasks. To access the tasks, students have to click on Enter Task button. The tasks form allows text editing and uploading the file. The team can save the task with the Save button and go back to the list of open tasks with the Close button. When all tasks are finalized, the team has to submit them to the teacher by Submit button. Task submission could be done only by one team member, so the team needs to make sure the tasks are in final version. Team members may use the chat function to communicate while working on tasks. After submitting the tasks, they cannot be edited anymore. If the teacher is not satisfied with the tasks, she will reopen the task section in the administration of the serious game for the team to work on them again. In this case, the team will see the open task section as incompleted. The team members can send and receive chat messages by opening the chat screen from the button in the top menu.